Many of you have probably seen in the news that the Fed just dropped rates 50 basis points, which is tremendous news for real estate investors and businesses everywhere. But what does that mean as a multifamily investor, and why might you want to go ahead and take action now? Hey guys, my name is Jonathan Nichols. I'm the founder of Apogee Capital, which is a real estate investment firm and also a very proud coach in the Michael Blanc program along with my wife Paula. Today I'm standing outside of our recent acquisition, which is a 171 unit property located in Lubbock, Texas, which we were able to purchase at approximately a 40% discount to what we would have just 2 years ago within the market. And that really leads me to the topic of what I want to talk about briefly today, and that is why multifamily investing now? Many of you have probably seen in the news that the Fed just dropped rates 50 basis points, which is tremendous news for real estate investors and businesses everywhere. But what does that mean as a multifamily investor, and why might you want to go ahead and take action now? So most of you probably are aware that, real estate investing rides on an economic cycle. There are times that are up and there are times that are down. And while I personally believe that you can find great deals in multifamily at any point in the economic cycle, when things are down is actually probably one of the best times to buy, because then you can have a tailwind behind you as the economy begins to improve, interest rates go down, and cap rates recompress. And so, we've just seen the first rate cut from the Fed. Historically, once they start cutting rates, they continue to do so, and very quickly. And so I actually believe that now is a prime time to be jumping back in the multifamily market and investing if you got out in the first place. And so maybe you're listening to this today and you're a single family investor, or you've done some fix and flips and you're trying to figure out how to scale your real estate and business and find financial freedom. And maybe you've thought about multifamily investing, but you're just like, is now the right time? What I would tell you is that I do believe now is a great time to get into the multifamily market. This property here being great proof of it. And I actually don't think these opportunities will last long. Once investors catch wind that, prices are headed upward, rates are going down, and the opportunities are out there, there's going to be a flood of money and investors back in the market that will ultimately result in people paying a higher price or a forward-looking price on properties, or overpaying for them. And so I actually think now is the perfect time to be getting into the multifamily market. And so maybe you fit in that boat. You're a busy professional. You're a, kind of part-time real estate investor, single family investor, but you want to go full scale and do this as an actual business to find financial freedom. Take a look at Michael's coursework, his mentorship programs, and the offerings that he has. As myself, as a former student and now a coach, found very useful and allowed me to go from having just a handful of units to multiple properties, just like this 171 unit you see here. So have a great day and look forward to connecting soon.